We're going to Nando's for the very first time.
Oh, the lights look like they're flashing. That's funny.
I'm really excited about trying doing this.
It's a nice place. All the stairs are so steep. Ooh, pretty. Thank you.
I know a lot of people recommend Nando's though. I've heard so much about Nando's, and I've also seen a lot of them. Like there was some in London, Edinburgh, I think Glasgow.
I didn't know.
It's so good.
So I was really happy to find that York had one really close by. There is dessert. They do have ice cream, Portuguese ice cream, which we could maybe share, since I already had like a ton of sugar earlier. But speaking of Nando's, I think we've decided what we want. So what did we order?
The sharing platter, boneless platter, butterfly chicken and 4 chicken thighs. And then we decided to go for 4 different little sides to go with it. And we chose the creamy mash, which was to me is like mashed potatoes, a spicy rice, a garlic bread, and chips, the salted chips.
Very nice. You're like a connoisseur of French fries, so what do you think?
That's a pretty good French fry.
But you didn't try it with sauce.
I'm not sure which sauce to try, but we're gonna get a piece of chicken.
But you gotta put sauce on it.
I'm gonna put some sauce on it.
There should be a knife somewhere. Or another fork. You can use my fork.
But I feel like I should just make up my plate to start with.
Go ahead and make it. Yep, go ahead and do it.
Some bread.
Some rice, half the mashed potatoes. You need to take one more piece of chicken there. And then you need to split that one chicken and then...
There we go. There we go. We're getting this. Alright. So now I gotta decide on what sauces to use.
This is medium. This is wild herb, lemon, and garlic. They were pretty much all medium.
I'm gonna try the garlic on one of these. They're good.
You need to shake it. No, shake it into the chicken. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Is that gonna be way too much?
No.
Hang on. Ooh. Like spicy that stings your tongue.
Oh, really?
It's a good flavor though, so I'm not gonna do any more. I'm gonna just try it without sauces first.
Do you need a knife?
Some of the best chicken ever.
It's good chicken.
You sound like a caveman. Good chicken.
Rice isn't that spicy. Let me try the chicken breast. Because the one was those are the thighs, which I tend to like thighs more than breast.
I feel like you're doing it wrong. I feel like you're supposed to be using sauces for
I know,
everything.
I just want to try it in its raw form to know which I want. What's this one?
Wild herb.
That sounds good. We'll try it with that.
Yeah, shake it.
It doesn't come out very much. I want to try it before. I like that one.
Try dunking it in this.
Yeah, I got a little bit out.
That's what she said.
Alright, let's try that one. What is this?
Chili sauce.
I don't know if I like chili sauce. I mean, yeah, it's pretty good, but I don't want to eat all of it. I'm gonna try the spicy.
There's actually more sauces over there, by the way. But they're all like hot, so I didn't get them.
That one, that first garlic one, had a bit of a bite. That's like a sweet hot. That's not bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's very sweet.
Interesting.
The after bit is a little hot. I approve. It's very good. Stealing your fries.
Just put them over. Angela?
No, you.
No, Angela did.
I put it in the center.
Oh.
Where's your? Is that the hot?
The garlic one is the hottest one I've tried.
Nice. That really does not come out. Okay, I got barbecue sauce on mine.
That one I think you'll just have to dip like with fry or something.
That's really good chicken.
The rice isn't too spicy, but it's really good.
I normally don't like rice, so that was really good rice.
I'll eat the mashed
So.
potato. Yeah. This one's got spicy.
I forget which one this was.
You're doing both? Even the spicy wasn't that spicy.
The chicken is so good. It's like melts.
Yeah, it's not too dry, which is a tricky thing to do with the chicken breast.
It's not dry at all.
I know. We haven't tried the bread yet.
No.
What was that?
Yours is better.
My bread?
When you make garlic bread,
Oh,
you put so much butter on it. It's good though.
just needs more butter. And of course the fries.
I definitely recommend it. Slightly more expensive, but not you're talking
Still
like
cheaper than London.
You're just talking about a few pounds more than like a hamburger or something.
Yeah, good quality. Just to be the barbecue.
Instead of ketchup. This is just so Nando's barbecue, so.
Oh, okay. Does it taste like barbecue?
Yeah, but it's kind of spicy.
So yeah, this is my favorite. It's got a bit of a kick, I think, but not too bad. I'm putting it on my bread, put it on my chicken, a little bit on my potatoes. Just making a mess of it. Pretty good. Dang, you eat so fast.
I know, it's amazing.
I've barely touched mine, it seems. I look up and yours is gone.
Talking about you're about the same.
My plate compared to his plate?
Yeah, she has a long way to go.
But you've been sitting there filming.
No, I took a few bites and then I looked up and his food was gone.
I take eating food seriously.
I'm savoring.
Wow, I finished and you're like,
It's a little spicy.
You're
That's
like-
a good spice. But my
like
mouth
halfway
is
done.
tingling. You guys ate all the fries. Come on.
no, I left it for some.
Come on, Angela, we got stuff.
This is why it takes you so long. You're just like so like. Okay.
Upload it.
Thank you.
That was really good. Definitely recommend.
I'm full now though.
Yes, very filling.
Good portion size.
Yeah, I still haven't run into any portions that have been like shockingly small.
Of course, we did like split a huge platter, but it was still enough. Nando's. Highly recommend. I think we covered everything.
Thanks, yeah.